Hello everyone, myself physiotherapist Dr. Sania Palkar. I'm specializing in musculoskeletal sciences and manual therapy at Asian Spine Clinic. So here are the must-do stretches for office workers. So first let's start with simple neck stretches. For example, if you are tired, if you start feeling neck tiredness or stiffness, so here are quick stretches which you are supposed to do. So sit straight first. Take your hand near the ear. Slowly take it sideways. I hope you can see it in this angle as well. Hold it for 10 counts and relax. Okay, let's do it for the other side as well. Back should be straight. Make sure your other hand is locked in the chair. Go down, go down. Yes. Hold it for 10 counts. Relax. To be done only 2 or 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay? Okay, so let's do for back stiffness. For example, you feel fatigued or tired, you feel the back is stiff. So make sure you do the simple trick exercises. Make sure your foot are placed on the floor straight. You're sitting at the edge of the chair, both the hands on your waist. So what you have to do is, you have to go into the worst position you can, like this, slouch it, and come into the best position you can, that is erect posture. Okay, do this transition for around 10 to 15 times and you feel that the stiffness slowly reducing. Okay, so make sure you do this after every 3 to 4 hours in the office, and make sure you change position as well after every 30 to 40 minutes. If you're sitting, move up, come back and sit again. Okay, so this is called a seated spinal twist. So this is again for the back. So again, you have to sit at the edge of the chair. Make sure you place, if for example, if you're moving to the left side, your right hand should be placed on the left leg. Your left hand should go back, and I want you to just twist your spine, not the lower body, only the upper spine. Hold it for 10 seconds. Relax. Similarly, on the other side.
Then finally and put it and go.
Relax. Okay, do this 2 times. Hold that in off. Okay, so I hope all these exercises are helpful for you. But there is a note which you need to remember, is that all these exercises should be prescribed by the physiotherapist. Make sure you consult them once and then do this exercise regularly.